In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product carousel to Shopify. This is a great way to make your product pages look more professional and easier to browse, especially if you have several images for each item. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where you manage how your storefront looks. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme. Next to that theme, click on the button that lets you edit your theme. This will open the theme editor, which is where we'll make the change. Once the Online Store editor is open, take a look at the top of the screen. There's a navigation dropdown that lets you choose which type of page you're editing. Click that dropdown, and from the list of options, select Products, then choose Default Product. This tells Shopify that you want to edit the layout of your standard product page template. When the default product page loads in the editor, look at the sidebar on the left and click on the section called Product Information. This is where the layout of your product images is controlled. Inside this section, scroll until you find a setting labeled Layout. Right now, it might be set to Stacked. If you look at the preview on the right, you'll probably see that all your product photos are arranged one on top of the other in a vertical stack. To switch to a carousel, click the Layout dropdown and select Thumbnail Carousel. As soon as you change this, look at the preview again. Your main product image should now appear larger, with smaller thumbnail versions of the other images displayed below or beside it. You'll also notice arrows on each side of the main image. These arrows let customers click through your product photos like a slideshow instead of scrolling down a long column of images. Take a moment to click through the images in the preview to make sure you're happy with how it looks. If everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This is important so that your changes go live on your store. And that's it. You've successfully turned your product images into a thumbnail carousel on your Shopify product page.